Whoa, okay. Hey guys, it's CJ, and today we're gonna be doing toy reviews. So so I got these toys from Amazon. Wow, love this one. This is worth your money because it's the right size. It's a good size plushie. Pikachu. Everyone likes Pikachu. My Game Boy shirt. I got it from Amazon. Yep. So him and I got this guy from Amazon. Comment below who this is. I'll just tell you. Dragonite. So yeah. Dragonite. He's good deal. Cheap for Amazon. Like £4. And all that. Yes, nice ears, nice details, like claws. Now, comment below who this is. He's a YouTuber. This is worth your money because it has a suit, has red tie, it has trousers, shoes, and brown arms. And he's like Chewbacca, seriously. So yeah. You'd ask me which one is the best. Now, I think these two are the best. This is the biggest. This one, I still get it, but still. Okay, a lot of people have done this. I'll be back with 2 videos tomorrow. Comment below if you want me to do anything. Goodbye!